welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the mud flaps on a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton, L200 or Warrior, depending on where you are in the world. Now there's loads of different mud flaps on the market, so some of you might want to change them. I'll just show you the process. Let's get started. So for the rear mud flap, there is 4 10mm bolts. One's found at the back there, and there's 3 bolts on the inside here. Just going to undo each of them all of the way. So this is what the standard rear mud flap will look like. And for the front mud guard, there is one 10mm bolt up here, which you're going to need to use an extension bar if you have the side steps on. And round the front here, there is a 10mm bolt and 2 plastic clips here and here. So first off, I will remove this 10mm bolt fully. Now to remove these, just get a flathead screwdriver. Just get under and pry that away. And finish off with this 10mm bolt. And this is what your standard front mud flap will look like. And to replace the rear, exactly the same in reverse, making sure that goes under the mud guard. Just do them finger tight for now. No need to do them up too tight, bearing in mind there is spring washers on them. Same with the front, making sure the clips go under here. Start with your bolt, get your push clips. Get the one from behind the back. No need to do it up too tight. And there we go. That's my video on how easy it is to remove and replace the front and rear mud flaps on a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel.